Yo, take the slam away. Take away the slam. Right there. Get over. Let's go, Helen. 35 seconds, Chief. 25 seconds. Hey, Des, watch the drag. Watch this drag right here. Marilla. There, good thing. Right here, baby. Nine. Yo, sit. 56 right there. Talk. That was a horrible ball. Are you serious? Going for Lamar, somebody. Yo, take that slant away. Fall back, dive, Savi. Come on. Yo, Eric, come up. Eric. Turn. Hey, Desi, 21. I know, man. Hey, talk to each other. Yo, watch that. Yo, Eric, press. You got position on him. That was it. Let's see. You have position on him and he's trying to... Come, Eric, get him. Did he get that? No ball. Eric, you gotta press him. Here we go. Keep it going. All right. I'm in.
Because it seemed like forever long back there.
Get there. There we go. Come on. Right there. Yeah. Let's go, D. Nope. Hey, what's the plan? They're setting it up. Take it back. Go. Upfield. Come back in. All you eat. Go! Get ahead with it! Let's go! Oh! Rush on the outside, right here! Come back. Give him the No shot. I'm right by him. Run right by him. Let's go.
They're gonna win the C's. At least the Schenectady.
Team left. Go. Hit it up. Go, baby. Let's rush on the outside, right? Hey! 21! Gary, it's on the right! Gary! Coming on the outside! 21's coming! Go play! Run it! Head down! Come on, Daz. Let's go, boys! Get Hilton. Come on! Go!
You can come in though. Come in for Davi.
All right.
Right there. Oh!
There we go.
Yeah, they're down there.
My team?
Albany Academy?
No. Yes. Said he went there. I'm like, he's like, yeah.
Davi!
I go, no, you fucking didn't.
Oh, right here, oh! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! 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 Keep going, man! Keep going! Hey! Hey! Next series, you want air for linebackers. Okay. Coming! 10, 9, 8, 7. Come on! Get there! It's so off.
That's why I'm on the bench. Because of that big motherfucker.
Come on! Get up! First down? This guy backing up. Yeah. Still got it. Sam! Yeah!
Scream that shit all the time when you scrimmage up. When we were in the C's.
Let's go! What's that linebacker? Let's go.
This is so beautiful.
Go, Andy. Got a good pocket. Get it. Good throw. Good job. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5.
Let's make it the wide fuck open.
Left side's weak, fellas. Good kick.
Nice.
Get there.
They're playing the zone, but they're trying to gaps in their zone. They're playing a zone? What kind of zone? I don't know what kind of zone.
They're fucking it up every time. They're switching them up.
That play, there's nobody in cover me at all. He ran down with nobody. It's hard for me to know what kind of zone they're playing because I've never really run it down too. I'm not going to blame this thing.
Anybody know how to work this thing?
I got
You got it?
I don't know. I have no idea. I think I got it recording, at least the punt.
I think I got the ball in. That's all I'm glad.
Ball! Nice touch.
I was thinking I got his nose. The shaky didn't notice it.
Yeah! Move it up! Oh! Ball! Come on! Take for what?
I seen it. I was like, oh, she's coming this way. Oh, come on, get it up. There you go.
Balls up! Screen! Come on!
Ground.
Look at that move! Get that! Stay in your lane! All right, good kick. Get that. There you go! Yeah, D, huddle up! Right there.
Why are we playing so far off?
Yeah, 6 seconds left. Here we go. Quack. Hey, you're